Now the first thing you need to do is to press the home button on your Sony remote control and go all the way towards the left side until you select the settings icon. Then select all settings. It's a cogwheel on the top right corner. From here, go down and select system. Then go down again and we're gonna select this time Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. This will open and make sure first of all that it's turned on. And now it's time to take your phone. So on your iPhone, drag down from the top right corner and one of these icons will be this one. It's two rectangles. If you do not see it, press the plus button here and add this icon on this page. Once you click on it, as long as your iPhone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your Sony TV, you'll be able to see your Sony TV over here. You see Bravia VU3. This is mine. Yours will obviously have maybe another model number. You're gonna have a number appearing on the TV screen, so 2773. Yours will be different, so check your TV screen, punch it in your iPhone. Okay, here we go. It took a bit more time than expected. This is an older TV, so maybe that's why. So now you can go ahead and use your phone the same way you're using it usually. And now you can browse, you can open games, you can do many different things. And depending how fast your internet is, you may see a lag or you may not see a lag if you have a quick internet. Once you're done and you want to quit this, by the way, you can also use your phone in landscape mode if the app allows landscape mode. This way you're gonna take the whole screen of your Sony TV. Once you're done, you can go on the top of your iPhone. Usually you see the screen mirroring icon there and tap screen stop mirroring. Or you can go back in the same place, click the two rectangles, select your TV and it will end this way. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.